Today I'm going to show you how to use the software Padlet to do an exit ticket in your class. So the first thing you would need to do is to create a Padlet account. It is free. It just takes an email and a password. So I have already done that step. I'm trying to adjust. And it's very simple and easy to use. First of all, you'd click on Make a Padlet. You can choose from any of the pre-made formats. They have several wallpapers that you can choose, or you can upload your own. I'm going to call this one Exit Ticket, maybe, for Matter. And then I want each student to give me an example of a solid, liquid, or gas. Click Next. This is where you have the option to set it to public or private. You can change it to where the students can write or they can only read. And this moderation button allows you to proofread or edit before students post. So if you've got some jokesters in your class, that might be a good option. Now the students do not need their own account. You can share the link on the Google Classroom. So that is what I'm going to do next. We're going to create an announcement or an assignment, whatever you would like to do. And so when they go to your Google Classroom, all they have to do is click on the link and they go straight to your Padlet. They click on the plus sign and they can add their opinion or their information. If you have some learners that maybe are newcomers, you can opt for them to, sorry, hold on one second. You can have them upload a picture or draw a picture of these items. So that is one way you could accommodate Padlet. Like I said, this is a great way to kind of get a mini assessment of how the kids are doing on their mastery of the information. And so this is a great way just to get a quick assessment of how they're doing. Thanks for listening.